Yo MTV, welcome to my crib. Alright, so I was supposed to film this video about
a lot of boring math later.
a long time ago. It's gonna be a college dorm / apartment tour.
I like how I'm questioning it. Like, is it an apartment tour? Maybe it's a morning routine. I don't know.
I go to Fordham University, but I'm studying abroad in Australia right now. Yeah, this apartment tour is not gonna be very aesthetic. This is kind of what you get when a college guy lives by himself. So I guess we start with the bedroom, where the magic happens. Well, oh yeah, that's also, so it's kind of a studio apartment. I'll get into that later, but it's just basically one big room. And I kind of just gave away the whole tour, so I probably shouldn't have done that. But yeah, this is my bed. And you're probably wondering why I don't have a comforter, and that's because I'm a psycho and I don't like to sleep with comforters. No, it's just that it's always too hot here because it's Australia. In the summertime, I only sleep with my comforter that I have in my bed at home because it's so perfect. It's made out of seersucker, so it's actually really cold. Before I got that comforter, I would never sleep with comforters in the summertime. Now, speaking of weather, we have our AC unit right up here. I'll show you how it works. I love this little feature. Like, it came with a little holder for the remote. I mean, obviously you guys know I never actually used that holder, but I made sure it was in there for this vlog. Basically you just you click the button and it opens up. But lately it's been kind of peeing a little bit. Like, water will just start spewing out, so we'll wait and see if that happens.
12 seconds later.
Of course it's not gonna do it now, but yeah, it's been doing that. Next, I guess we'll go to the dresser nightstand thing.
Okay, so that drawer just was like my boxers and stuff, and so I didn't want to put that in there because people on the internet are weird. So sorry you're not getting that underwear content that you wanted.
Here I have my Alexa and my lamp, which are both unplugged because I never really use them. The Alexa I would use, but the Wi-Fi in this apartment's really weird, so I can't connect my Alexa to it, which is really annoying. So I kind of just keep it there. Over here we have our, oh, probably can't show you that. But yeah, we just have our little window. Act like that's not there. And then I actually love this window, not gonna lie. This window's pretty sick. It's got a nice little view. It's really nice at sunset. Maybe I'll get a time lapse of that later for you guys, but probably not. Here we just have my passport, boarding passes, and what are these words? What are the words? Postcards. I'm supposed to go to my family that I haven't sent out. Also have my wallet, which isn't really important, so I don't know why I said that. Barista Bros. Oh yeah, then I have my TV here. I'm not trying to sound like those people like, oh, I really don't watch TV. Like, that's a lie. I just watch my laptop. That doesn't sound. I pretty much just watch things on my laptop, like YouTube videos. Emma Chamberlain video. Anyway, yeah, this TV, it's just like, it doesn't get many channels, so there's not really anything to watch. I brought my Apple TV with me, but I can't seem to get it to work because of the Wi-Fi. Same thing with the Alexa. So I really don't use the Apple TV that much. And then I also got my rowing medals for a little decoration, just in case any, ladies come back, they think I'm a cool athlete who wins things.
They don't think that.
I want to sort of personalize the room a little bit because it's actually good when you're moving to a new place to have little pieces of home to remind you of home. Yeah. Also brought this nice little American flag because go America. Also, go Reds. This is a rugby thing from when I went to a rugby game. It's like a rugby, not scorecard, but editing me will help with the word for that.
Ooh. Yeah, I still don't know.
And then I also have some koozies, which they call tubby coolers in Australia, which I think is very interesting. But this is BWS, the little local store that we go to here. These are just some Vineyard Vine koozies or tubby coolers. Just my sunglasses, camera. Oh, and a maraca, because why would you not have a maraca? Also have my hats here. Fun fact, always tuck your bucket hats into your baseball caps. They'll stay in good shape. Got my inhaler. My name is not Wheezy. I am asthmatic. Oh man, I should drop a mixtape. Oh, and then I have some books here. So if you have something plugged into here, you have to flick that. Like, this is on and then this is off. It's really weird. I don't really know why you have to do that. I think it's like to conserve energy, but I'm not really sure. This is a bracelet that I got from KJP for Christmas, and it broke, and I also lost one last year, so I just don't have the heart to really throw it away, so it's kind of sad that it broke, so I don't really want to throw it away. Water in case I get thirsty, like when I'm scrolling through Instagram. Do you even get that joke? Phone, which is not important. A wall piece. All right, next we're going into the kitchen area. Mini fridge here. We all know though, I don't cook. I always eat out, so I don't really have anything in my fridge or my freezer. Oh, I have a banana. I have a frozen banana in there apparently, so I should probably throw that out. That's really gross. I don't know why I have that. Oh yeah, I meant to mention while I was over here, I can't seem to find bags that will fit it. So what I've been doing is I fill up the bin, and then once it's full, I just get a bag and dump all the stuff into the bag and then take the bag out. Probably really dumb, and I probably shouldn't do that, but it's what I do. You don't care about that. Another wall piece. I don't know why I have so many of these. Back to the fridge though. There's really nothing in here besides just a little thing of milk. So yeah, it's really boring. Got my toaster, which I actually never used until like 3 weeks ago. Microwave. But you don't care about that. Oh, it's really weird. I can't get this microwave to say the time. Like it only shows 00. Like I can't get it to show the time. Aluminum foil dishes. And by dishes, I really just mean these two things, and solo cups because college. Cereal boxes. I have a really bad habit of opening multiple cereal boxes all at the same time. These are literally the same. So I don't know why I did that, but this is a really good cereal. You guys should get this, Nesquik. Yeah, I think it's only in Australia though. This one's also really good and has a bunch of protein in it. Some seasonings, shredded coconuts from when I made a recipe that didn't really go well. Vegemite, because Australia. Sugar, and this is getting boring, so I'm gonna walk away from this now. Now we're gonna go to the closet. Well, it's not really a closet, but yeah, this is like where all my clothes are. Interesting, right? Not really. But oh, above all my clothes, I have just like soap. That's not soap. I have soap. This is actually laundry detergent, so I feel like it doesn't really fit here, but it's where I have it. Deodorant, lotion, and like cologne. Oh, reusable bags, because those are really big in Australia, and I try to make sure I always have them because I really care about the environment. Well, truth be told, I also just don't like being charged for bags, which is what they do here, so at least I'm honest about it though. These are just my hoodies and Patagucci. Belts, that's not cool or interesting. Gym clothes, shorts, sweatpants, gym shorts, like athletic-y pants, and then non-athletic-y pants. Athletic-y, what a word. And just some shoes. Brought this with me, and I don't really know why. And I don't think I've ever used it, but it's like protector for your Sperry's. I guess some people use it, but I just don't. And I have my t-shirts here. Typically I would use wooden hangers, but I wasn't gonna buy wooden hangers while I was here because they're really hard to find, at least nice ones. So I just got like plastic ones, but they kind of match the room also because like the white. And this room is very white. Yeah, I don't really think wooden hangers would have fit in this room as well. Then up here I have like my Chad shirts. And oh, I actually have a sport coat. I've not worn this once, but I don't know. I was always told whenever you travel, you should always have a sport coat with you. Just following the conventions. My suitcases, towels, boring. Oh, bathrobe. Bathrobe is a major move, man. Hold on, right? I'm gonna throw it on. How do you do that? Welcome to my crib, bro. This is it, man. I should be a model, but no, this is actually super comfortable. Before you judge me for wearing a bathrobe, remember Hugh Hefner wears a bathrobe. So comfortable. I think it's 100% silk too, so kind of cool, man. This thing, which is typically only seen in like a European hotel, so I'm not really sure why it's here, but like if you pull, and it's not common, like I've asked all my friends about their apartments and they don't have it, so I don't know why I have this. If you pull this out, everything turns off, but like, I don't know. It originally was attached to my key. They're like, yeah, you can just keep it attached to your key, and every time you come in and out, put it in. And I was like, I'm not doing that. So I just leave it in, which is probably bad, but whatever. This is the bathroom, which is very intimate and personal, so I don't want to go too much in detail in here. I'm not a huge fan of having the bathroom that close to the kitchen, but it makes sure I keep the bathroom clean. Also, I typically just close the door, so I'm not going to be in here too long because that's going to get really annoying. But basically, just got, oh hey, it's me. What's up, dude? Just basically we got my water bottle to wash my face with. Don't judge me for that, it's a normal thing. So my toothbrush charger, which I always forget to actually plug in so I can charge my toothbrush. And so I always have to end up using it manually, which is probably not best for my teeth, but whatever, at least I'm brushing them. Clippers, which is boring. Air freshener, also really boring. Toilet, boring. Shower, boring. It's a very small bathroom, but I guess it's good enough for one person. And then there's actually more to the apartment. Yeah, this is like my part, but then it also connects to the main like suite. Because it's sort of like a suite. That makes sense?
Okay, so basically I walked out of my apartment, and obviously I was not going to start vlogging because That's just too awkward for me. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little voiceover. This is the kitchen that I never really used because it was too awkward and uncomfortable for me. The table. Oh, let's get a better angle of that table, right? Yeah. Oh, nice. Picture perfect. 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 A nice little quirky sign. And then we also, ooh, a nice couch, nice TV. Couch again. What am I doing? Filming, whatever. TV again. What am I actually filming right now? What am I doing? Okay. And oh yes, let's go into the nice patio. Oh yes, lovely patio. And now you're looking at a black screen because I stopped filming, but I'm still talking. And I'm not going to edit all this out because that's just too much work for me. So hope you enjoyed this. I don't even know what you're probably looking at right now, but hopefully it's entertaining. So back to the rest of the video.
This is a laundry machine. I don't know if this is entertaining for you guys, but yeah. I actually typically don't do laundry as much as I would because it costs $4 to wash and then $4 to dry, which is $8 per load. And the machine actually ate my money once and I was really upset about it. And yeah, so I typically just end up buying new clothes because at that point, why not? Little cloth socks. Little quirky sign we got going on here. Okay, I actually love this door. I think it's really funny. Oh, there's like this entrance, but I never use it, so. And this is like a car garage, but I don't have a car. Oop.
And
Now entering the time of your life. No free brand deals, bro. It's just like the garage. There's nothing really interesting here. Dude, the acoustics in here are actually pretty good. So sometimes if I'm walking and no one's here, I'll just like sing on my walk. I feel like this car garage is very like LA vibes, which I kind of like, and I wish I had a car here, but I don't. I don't know how to end this vlog though. Like do that weird cool vlogger thing where people are like, or we could do the MTV Cribs thing where they're like, you don't have to go home, but you gotta get the hell out of here.